Okay, to the next one, MabolLive sports dashboard with design tokens and stuff. Oh, ain't that nice? So we have a light and dark mode. We have the design system. Let's jump into the design. So we have a few components. This is a strong visual that overwhelms the branding, the logo. Not bad, it's just like the visual takes over too much. Sports page, you only have one main event. So you have your leagues, your sport. If you want to see just the scores, then this would work to a certain degree. It's not bad. I don't know if this would be actually something you'd want to see live, but yeah, some good ideas. You can see very quickly who won, stuff like that. Not bad. Why is this white? This should be also dark mode. Also wish this had some mobile version. Otherwise, I don't know. It looks solid with auto layout and stuff if you needed these kinds of components or as a starting kit. Looks good.